The Skylight calendar suddenly goes dark, and no matter how many times you tap the screen, nothing appears. Sometimes the display stays black even though the device is plugged in, while other times the screen briefly flashes and then disappears again. This kind of issue is usually connected to power interruption, screen sleep glitches, frozen software, or startup problems rather than complete hardware failure. In many situations, the calendar is still receiving power, but the display system hasn't loaded correctly. Instead of assuming the screen is permanently damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and bring the display back to normal. Number 1. Disconnect the Skylight calendar from the power outlet completely. 2. Wait around 60 seconds before reconnecting the adapter. 3. Hold the power button for several seconds during startup. 4. Check if the screen brightness was lowered completely by mistake. 5. Try another power outlet to rule out power delivery problems. 6. Watch closely for any logo, dim light, or startup activity. 7. Reset the calendar from recovery or settings if the display finally responds.